Another day, another hotel. The inside of it's nice though. Oh well, this is my life, so as I go try and close for the night show, see how far that line goes, still blows my mind. Show business, guess I'll just never get. So this shit just always feels so weird to this day, because all I ever did was just say the shit I would've wanted to hear other people say to me when I was a kid. So please don't make me some type of hero, cause I will say some inspirational shit in a real way, but still will have a field day with some of the fucked up shit in the world until it does something I dig. Cause I still make fun of a shit. Someone's in like a son of a bitch and another 6 bits. I'm fucking relentless as fuck when it comes to this pin. I struggle with coming to senses, stuck on the fence of the balance beam. If I seem unbalanced, challenging, my conscience allows me to think the most foulest, childish things without even blinking, without even thinking about all the stinking amounts of people it seems to be reaching, while the crowds are screaming. The palace sold out this evening, but now it's lay me down to sleeping. Is it really my soul to keep, or have I sold it cheap? Is it greedy? Do I take more than I need when I joke or leaving, but keep overachieving? Cause what it stole from me, I barely broken even. And I know it's a fine, fine line, living or dying. It's a fine, fine line, living or dying. So I'm honest how I paint myself, and through my heroin ordeals I'm so vain. I want my respect, but ignore the butterfly effect that comes from my dialect. Till I sit in the dark and I reflect, and my reflection shows what it's like here. Cause it's vanity, surrounded by all these lights, yeah, it's like a nightmare. I said this vanity, surrounded by these lights, is a nightmare. And I don't like how I see myself, so I open the Bible to Isaiah. Cause I swear to Christ there are nights where I stay up and might say a prayer twice just to make sure God hears. Cause this ice layer, I skate on some nice wear, putting it, but I like stand twice there. Then I try to say it tops it like a dice player. I got a nice pair of dice here, sealed off in my lair, away from the bullshit, good safe place to sit and talk shit from. In this house is quite big, but it ain't when you can't leave it. And I feel so isolated. Nice I made it, but it's like I paid the price of fame twice. I hate it. So I bitch about my life and make another song, which is cycle, ain't it? Then I wonder why I stay famous, but I keep walking the line. This goldfish bowl gets old, but especially when you don't know your conscience is saying I told you so. Cause you don't even know anymore if you got the soul of a soldier or your soldier's soul. I know it's a fine, fine line, living or dying. It's a fine, fine line, living or dying. You look so small, hovering high above us all. Please come back to me. I still remember the times when they were simpler than the rhymes of Vanilla Ice were. When I was just killing the mics, I'll never forget what that feeling was like. I miss those times now when I was just starting out without a diamond. Now I'm diamond, can't even stage dive in the crowd anymore now. And I've been stuck in this house, hibernate, hate even going outside it. Sucks, sometimes I just wanna walk in the Target and look at shit browse. I don't even wanna buy nothing, I just wanna fucking walk around inside it. Look how excited I sound when I get to talk about life and everything about it I miss. Which now reminds me, put 1,000 lighters in the sky for the outsiders. Wow, I must have had Alzheimer's. Long time since I shouted them out. About time, cause he's been on my mind lately. How, see, you always supported me, you vows, I will never forget that. And how you guys accepted me for me in pace. I love you too, you slept on my couch. And I've been thinking about the time when I slept on the floor of the outhouse. Rhyming's all we ever wanted to do. And regardless how life has turned out inside, I'll always be an outsider. My life's been turned inside out. It's a fine, fine